Hello pupils, Madam Reina here. Today I'm going to explain how to do the activities in Get Smart Plus 4 workbook page 51 in module 6, Getting Around in Smart Kid. Alright, okay, in this page 51, we have two activities. Okay, let's look at the first one. Okay, how are they going to get to the park? Follow the lines and write. Okay, firstly we are going to identify what they use to go to the park. Okay, there are 4 pupils here. The first one is Mira, second one is Huang, number 3 Akmal, and number 4 Cheong. Okay, how do you going to identify what they use to go to the park? Okay, firstly Mira. Okay, look at the nearest line, okay, beside the picture. Okay, Mira, the nearest line is the red line. So just follow the line until the end of the line and look at what you found there. For Mira, like what we have found here is bicycle. So Mira, go to the park by bicycle. Okay, for Huang, the blue line is the nearest, so you just follow the blue line until the end, and then you can see the bus. Okay, Akmal, the green line. Okay, you just follow the green line and we can see the train here. And the last one is Cheong, the purple line. Okay, just follow the purple line and then we can see the feet here. Okay, so now we know what they use to go to the park. So now how we are going to write in sentence your answer in sentence here. Okay, now this blank number 1 is for Mira. Okay, number 2 is for Huang, number 3 is for Akmal, and number 4 is for Cheong. Okay, before we going to write our answer, so let's look at these notes. Okay, study the notes. Okay, and then you may screenshot the notes for your reference. Okay, let me explain the notes first. Okay, there are 4 names here: Mira, Huang, Akmal, and Cheong. Okay, you can use, okay, is going to go. Is going to go to complete the sentence. Okay, for bicycle, bus, and train, which is transport's name, you must use by. Okay, you must use by. Okay, as what we just discussed just now, Mira, Huang, and Akmal use bicycle, bus, and train, right? So they use they go there by transport, so we use by. So for these 3 peoples, okay, Huang's, Mira, Huang's, and Akmal is going to you. So you continue, you write down the name first and then continue with is going to go, and then because they go there by transport, so you write down by, and then bicycle, bus, and train. Okay, for Cheong, because Cheong use foot or walk to the park, so you can write whether Cheong is going to go. Okay, you can use this one also, but you must write go on foot, or you also can write like this: is going to, but you no need to use go, you just direct to write walk. Okay, to walk. Okay, Chong is going to walk. Okay, and then okay, I give you one example here. Okay, example 1. Answer for Mira. Mira is going to go by bicycle. Okay, just write like that. So for Huang, Huang is going to go by bus. For Akmal, Akmal is going to go by train. Okay, for Cheong, because he's walking to the park, so write down like this. Whether you have two choices, whether you write Chong is going to go on foot or Chong is going to walk. Okay, that's for activity 1. Okay, let's move to activity 2. Okay, for activity 2, we have train timetable. Okay, train timetable. But firstly, you need to understand. For those familiar with these words, it's okay, it's good for you. But for some of you unfamiliar with these words, because maybe in their place there is no train, or sometimes they don't enough reading about with this word. So today I'm going to give you understand the words, the vocabulary. Train, the first one is train timetable. Okay, the second one is leave in this context. Okay, and arrive. Okay, train timetables, leaves and arrive. Okay, train timetables in bahasa we call it, in bahasa Melayu we call it jadwal kereta api. Okay, when they come and when they go to that station. Okay, jadual kereta api bila dia pergi daripada stesen itu dan bila kereta api akan sampai. Okay, let's look at the words leaves. Leave means when the train go. The train go. And then arrive is when the train come. When the train come to that place. Okay, leave is when the train go from that place, and arrive is when the train come to the place. Okay, I hope you already understand the word. Okay, leave is to go. Okay, the train go, the time when the train go, and then arrive is when the train come to that station or to that place. Okay, so look at here. Look at the timetables. Leave, this is the column for leaving, so it's mean when the train go from here. Okay, go from Chester, go from Pep, and go from Warden Town. Okay, same thing with this one. Leave from when the train leave from Green Park, when the train leave from Richmond. Okay, the time is already given here: 6:45, 7:20, 8:15, 9:05 minutes, and 9:30. So arrive. This is the column for arriving. Means the train come to that place. When the train come to Pep, when the train come to Warden, when the train come to Green Park, and when the train come to Richmond and Blue Hill. The time stated there: 7:15 for Pep. The train come or arrive at Warden at And then at Green Park, they come at 8:55. Okay, in Richmond, they come at 9:20, and Blue Hill at 10:05 minutes. So this what's the meaning of the timetable. Okay, before we go to the questions, so let's look at these notes. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly. So let's look at the first one first. Okay, here there are two. I drew two clock here. Okay, the first one. Let's look at the first one. Okay, when the long minutes or the long hand, clock hand, point to number 6, it means 30 minutes. It shows 30 minutes. It's already 30 minutes. It means the minutes, the second hand. Okay, from here, the clock hand, the long clock hands, okay, from 12 already move from 12 to 6. It means half or 30 minutes. It's half or 1/2 of the clock. It means half of the clocks. It means 30 minutes. So other than 30 minutes, we also mention it half. Okay, we also mention it half. Okay, I give you one example. Okay, like this. The short hand is point to the number 7 and the long hand points to 6. So the times now is 7:30, or other than 7:30, we also call it 7:30. 7:30. Half, it means half past 7. Past means 30 minutes or half minutes pass, sudah berlalu daripada pukul 7. It means it's already 7 o'clock, but it's already past 30 minutes after 7 o'clock. So we can mention it like this: 7:30. Other than that, we also can tell the time like this: 7:30. Okay, because we have another half round. Okay, 30 minutes, 7:30. Okay, if the long hand of the clocks can move until 12 yet, after this it will be 8 o'clock, right? Because this one will move here after the long hand of the clock reach 12. So the short hand move to other number, point to other number, the next number, which is 8. So it's become 8 o'clock, but not yet, it's still here. So it means 30 minutes left to reach 12. 30 minutes left to reach 8 o'clock. It means 30 minutes or half to 8 o'clock. So we can say it 7:30. 7:30. Okay, so you can write your answer whether 7:30 or 7:30, or you can also write both of these, or okay, you can write also 7:30. Okay, you can write 7:30 or 7:30 or 7:30. This is for example of half. Okay, look at what it's. Let's learn what is quarter. Quarter means 1/4. 1/4. Just now half is 1/2. It means half of the clocks. Okay, for quarter, it's mean 1/4, one part from the 4 parts of the clocks, which is 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 plus another 5 minutes here. It becomes 15 minutes. Okay, that's we call quarter. Okay, I hope you understand about half and quarter now. So let's look at example here. For question 1, okay, let's read question 1 here. What time does the train leave from Chester? Okay, leave. Okay, let's find Chester town. So here is Chester. The time leave is at 6:45. So 6:45. Okay, the train leave is 6:45. I already write it here. So other than 6:45, okay, 6:45. So we can write also 6:45. Why 6:45? Because if this long hand of clocks move to 12, the short hand of the clocks, okay, or the hour clocks, will move to the next number or next hour, which is 7. So it's mean 15 minutes more, okay, 15 minutes to 7. So after 15 minutes, okay, after 15 minutes, so 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, after 15 minutes or quarter, it become 7 o'clock. So that's why we can write it 6:45 or 6:45. 6:45. Okay. Okay, the last example is for question 2. In questions 2, okay, let's read question 2. What time does the train arrive at Pep? Okay, Pep arrive 7:15. Okay, let's look at here. 7:15. Okay, 7:15. It's mean the shorthand is at point to the 7, number 7, and the long hand point to the point to the number 3 here. So it's mean if the long hand is in number 3, which is it's already past 15 minutes from 7. So that's why we can write like this. It's arrived at quarter. It's mean quarter, like this, quarter past, because it's already past. Here is 7 o'clock. When 7 o'clock, the long hand must point to 12, right? But it's already moved until 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So it means it's already past 15 minutes past. So we can write it arrived at 7:15 or 7:15. Okay, so read the questions here for number 3, number 4, and number 5, and find out, okay, whether it's arrive or leaving, or whether it's leave or arrive, and find out the name of the place. Okay, for example, number 3, leave. So you must look at here and here. What town? Wooden Town. Wooden Town is here. So the time you find out is here at 15. So you write down here. You start with, because it's leave, so you start with it leaves, like this. It leaves at, and then write down in form of sentence. Okay, same goes to number 4 and number 5. Okay, look at the questions, whether it arrive or leave. So find out here, and then find out the place. Okay, where is the place? Okay, and then write your answer in the space given in form of sentences. Okay, that's all for now. You can ask your teacher for more detail if you need more understanding about the activity. Okay, see you next time. Thank you.